7. So how are you today? So I hope you are all doing fine. So for today, we're going to discuss about sigma notation. So when you hear the word sigma notation, what comes into your mind? Sigma notation or summation is one of the most frequently used forms of notation in statistics. It is the statistical symbol which abbreviates the sum of the quantities in a given range. For example, in the notation, summation of x sub I from I is equals into 1 to 4, the Greek letter is the capital sigma. It indicates summation of, and 1 and 4 are the lower and upper limits respectively. Okay class, for example, we're going to write the following expressions in sigma notation. So for example, you're given is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus x sub 4 plus x sub 5 plus x sub 6 plus x sub 7 plus x sub 8 plus x sub 9 plus x sub 10. As you notice, ang haba nung given natin. So we are going to write this expression in sigma notation. So in this case, we're going to have the symbol or the capital letter sigma. Okay? So this is our sigma. And then, we're going to write x stands for x sub I, wherein that is your interval. So interval from your lower limit is 1, and then upper limit is 10. So therefore, if you're going to read this notation, this is read as summation of x sub I, wherein the range is from 1 up to 10. Okay class, let us have another example. For example, your given is y sub 1 to the power of 3 plus y sub 2 to the power of 3 plus y sub 3 to the power of 3 plus, as you notice, we have here ellipsis. Meaning to say, when you see this symbol, this means that your number is extended or infinite. Okay, so if you're going to write this in sigma notation, so this is equivalent. So again, please do write the capital letter sigma and then use y as your variable, wherein we use as y here. So you have y sub I, and then you have 3. Since you notice, lahat ay may 3. So 1, 2, 3, so yun yung sub I. Then our interval starts from 1. And then of course, since ellipsis yung dulo niya, so therefore, we cannot determine what is our upper limit. So therefore, your final answer is summation of y sub I to the power of 3, range from 1 up to n. Okay class, let us have another example. For example, your given is the quantity of a plus b plus 2 times the quantity of a plus b plus 3 times the quantity of a plus b plus ellipsis plus 10 times the quantity of a plus b. So if you're going to write this into sigma notation, so again, please do write capital letter sigma. And then since you notice that we have a 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 10, so therefore you have I quantity or times the quantity of a plus b, wherein it range from I is equals into 1 up to our upper limit is 10. So therefore, if we're going to read this, this is read as the summation of I times the quantity of a plus b from 1 up to 10. Okay class, now in this case, let us now expand the following expressions. For example, this is our given notation. So if we are going to read this is read as the summation of the quantity of a sub I plus 2 from 1 up to 4. So if we're going to expand this expression, so this is equivalent into, so please do write the open parentheses, so a, wherein our lower limit is 1 sub 1 plus 2 plus, of course, up to our upper limit is 4, so you have a sub 2 plus 2 plus a sub 3 plus 2 plus a sub 4 plus 4. So this will be our answer if we're going to expand this expression. Okay, let us have another example. For example, this is our given. The summation of the quantity of a sub I plus I from 1 up to 5. So if we're going to write this or expand this expression, this is written as a, so we have a sub 1 plus 1, of course, since our lower limit is 1, plus a sub 2 plus 2 plus a sub 3 plus 3 plus a sub 4 plus 4 plus a sub 5 plus 5. So this is how you are going to write this expression. Okay, class. So that is the meaning of the sigma notation. And of course, that is how you are going to express a given expression into sigma notation, and you are going to expand a given expression. So if you have a question, please do not hesitate to ask your teacher. Again, thank you for listening. Laos Deo.